Good morning. Feels nice out here. It's like 66 or something. Hey, bud, you waiting for Tux to relinquish his leftovers? Hey, buddy. Morris is drinking out of the fountain this morning. It's not the first time I've seen him do it. It's really cute. So Don made the mistake of asking me where.
Yeah, that's okay, sweetheart.
I said Yates Mill.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, it's you know, this is our last day that, you know, for we got to whatever time. It's not really great out there, but it's not bad. This is better than normal. It's 78 right now, it says.
Yeah, but that's the garage temperature.
Yeah.
We haven't, but yeah, it's in the 60s out here right now.
Is?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, I did doubt.
Give it 5 minutes and we'll recheck.
Okay. Well, anyway, the point is humidity's not bad, so it's okay to be outside.
Well, there's definitely a few people here, but it's not packed. Don did an expert job putting Jules in that corner spot. There's something so relaxing about entering the boardwalk area and seeing the view, and yeah, very pretty, very relaxing. Right offhand, I don't see any large birds, and I don't hear the kingfisher. I do have my big camera with me, just in case. So there is a lot of lilies on the pond right now. Very pretty. I've seen some butterflies, some wildflowers. I'm looking for the green heron that I saw the last time we were here. He'll be leaving the area soon for migration, I believe. So if I'm going to see him, now would be a good time. I've passed quite a few families this morning. One couple has their dog in the park. They must not realize they're not allowed to do that at this particular park. Just the first hint of color. Sourwood trees. Now Don's going to be quite justified in having more steps than me today because he keeps on circling back as I stop to take a few pictures. He's being a good guy. A few, that's right.
A few, that's all.
It hasn't actually been that many. I'd like to go down on the overlook, but as it being the weekend, there are people here taking pictures. Professionals. Well, you know what I meant. Pictures with expectations. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can't run up the hill with the camera around my neck.
Excuses. Oh, she
you can have the camera the next time.
Oh, really? I don't know. My
See?
muscles are kind of sore.
Camera. Don's trying to mimic the two little girls that just went past us. They are walking on the stones. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter.
That was surfing. Skateboarding.
Okay.
Snowboarding. Is that what it's called? Snowboard?
Oh, goodness. The coneflower's done, so there's no pretty butterflies. I really wanted some more butterflies. Oh well.
Why you gotta keep your Tesla clean. You never know when it's gonna be on display.
Yeah, the people parked next to us are leaving, and the woman getting in the car, she got behind Jules and took a picture. Good morning.
Good morning.
Of Jules's plate.
They stopped the car as they were leaving. She got out of the car on the passenger side, went over, took the picture, and then got back in the car and left. So
okay.
They made a special stop just to check it out.
We're on lap 2, but I decided to do the backboard walk now in case I don't want to carry the big camera for the entire walk today. Well, I don't see any jewelweed, and I just must really have missed the peak bloom time by a couple of weeks this year. I mean, now that it's September, I really didn't think we'd see it. All right, this particular patch of jewelweed is flowering. Quite a good bit of flowering too. Such a small flower though, you can't really appreciate the orchid-like shape from here. That sure is pretty. Just enjoying walking along, thinking about all the times I've been here before, all the other people walking hand in hand on the trail, and people that'll walk here in the future. Feeling like, you know, visions of past walks right now. I guess maybe hoping someday there'll be a grandkid to walk the Yates Mill Pond Trail with. Certainly remember good times walking with my kids and my kids' friends. Used to line the kids up on a log and take pictures of my bumps on a log. There was one tree in particular, it might have actually been this. And it made for good picture taking. Well, it certainly is nice out here, especially in the shade. A little bit of a breeze. Like I said, a lot of people here today. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not taking off without telling you this time. I'm giving you a chance. He's not even running, and I am.
Yeah, I think you might have beat me.
I don't think so. That's all right. Dang, I guess it's a good thing we got here and parked when we did. It's a few empty spots, but not many. I'm going to put my camera in the back. I'm not going to carry it the third time around. Well, my pace is definitely faster when I don't have the big camera around my neck. And Don only offered to carry it 10 times, and I told him no. I bring the camera, I carry the camera. Need to build up my stamina. And it wasn't cranking my neck the wrong way this time, so that was more important to me than the wear and tear on, you know, the weight and just carrying, you know, general carrying extra weight. It's that 70 to 300 lens, old school equipment. I got 2.9 miles and just over 7,300 steps.
I got 3.21 miles, 7,469 steps. And our pace, I don't have my glasses on.
It's okay.
It's 25 something, I think I can't.
2250.
2250. I stopped at several.
A couple of times when I was, Yeah.
So that kept it from destroying the paste.
I'm gonna let you pull out and hop in because of the dust on my shoes.
I forgot to turn the confinement.
Bye-bye, Mill, until next time. Suspect next time there'll be a little more color. I'm gonna walk home. I made Don let me out. He didn't give me too hard of a time today. There's people enjoying the splash pad. I should have turned on boombox. I wasn't thinking. I was thinking water and a walk. Yeah, I was only at 7,400 steps, and after I shower, I'm gonna want to pile up and either take a nap or work on Legos, and I'm not gonna be wanting to do stuff. I suppose I could have hopped on the death cycle and that would have been okay, but I just felt like the trail. It would be a great idea until I have to walk up the hill to the neighborhood. You know, the trail's easy. That hill going up to the neighborhood, not so much. I'm coming up on the end of the Jeff Wells Trail. No problems, just a few people. It's kind of cloudy though. I wonder if we're gonna get a rain shower today. Well, now that we got both cars back in the garage, that would be fine with me. Even though I did water everything yesterday, it'd still be fine with me. Well, now I wish I'd have bought a trash bag. I just didn't think about it. Bummer. It took me 23 minutes to get to here, and I'm at 1.1 miles. Don's in the garage detailing out Jules. Hi guys. How we doing? Aw. Hi, sweet boy.
Oh, I made me a new wooden stand for the unicycle. Just used some scrap wood. Rounded it over a little bit. Put it together. Hopefully, the bottom's plywood, so it probably ought to last a long time.
I have started putting the floor on up here. I got to finish in the brown on the other side. It's time to go cook. I might be short a little bit on the brown. We'll see.
Ooh, look what I've got.
Hamburger, Labor Day. I made him really good shrimp and garlic butter sauce, but that went down before I got a picture of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we got ice cream. We got ice cream coming. Typical Sunday on a Monday, on a holiday, on a, weekend. You have not lived until you have had full fat, real homemade ice cream.
That's right.
Just saying.